guys, we're back with Bleu at the little sugar mill park. It's windy. That's right, it's just a pan around. Like I'm over it. This is take 23. I'm over it. Alright, look, so we're just working on doing the pager, getting him to hold on to the bottle. Fetch. Slightly before I say it. Oh, boy. I don't want to speak just we have to get him taking it, and then we need to get him picking it up off the ground. Bleu, fetch. And the only reason I said his name right there was to kind of get him back in my direction. I'm supposed to make a time there. Good. You kind of have to time something there, guys, because you really need both hands for this to do the pager. And good. Leave it. Good. We really kind of want to keep him sitting. Gets the treat. Fetch. Good boy. Good. You should really have the second one. In case fetch. Spits out now. Good. Leave it. Oh, did you just hear a cat? So I've got two of them. I've got my pager ready. Fetch. Okay. Good. Fetch. Leave it. Good. Oh, he is the cutest thing ever. He's already planning on doing a Dave Haas fan photo. Because yes, Bleu is obsessed with Dave Haas now too. Not just Thimble. Bleu is too. Victoria's like, God. Alright, so watch. Fetch. Good. So I'm just really ready with the second one. Good. No, he sees everything I do. Good. Remember though. Good. And you see how quietly he's holding it. He's not crunching it. He's not chopping it. Good. Leave it. Oh, precious. All right, guys, more updates soon.